Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making aloo matar, and who does not like aloo matar? So let's quickly start. I have put jeera and bay leaf, onion all together in hot oil, mixing everything together. And we are doing this only for about 30 to 40 seconds. And then now we are adding chopped potatoes, हमारे प्यारे आलू, and it's a medium sized chopped potatoes. And now we want to mix everything together, and we will cover this and mix it again and again for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then here I am adding boiled peas, boiled matar. And now we want to mix only for about a minute now, otherwise the peas will start shrinking. So make sure you don't saute fry peas for a long time. And now I am adding all the masalas: turmeric, coriander powder and red chili powder. I use Everest Kuti Lal red chili powder, and I really like the taste of it. I usually don't add green chili. If you like, you can add green chili also. I had added salt, and we mixed everything together well. We kept it for about a minute again. And now for a quick procedure, we are shifting everything in the cooker. And now I am adding water, about I think 1.5 glass. You can add less water if you like. I like medium consistency, not too thin and not too thick. And here I have covered this. We just need 2 whistles. One is on high flame and one is on the same flame. Make sure to open cooker only when the cooker has cooled down. And now here you go. Look at the color of the vegetable, and the consistency is something. This is my favorite. Master Chef Archie will give you a tip now. For a halwai type consistency of gravy, break some 5 to 6 potatoes in it and mix everything together. And here you go, we are adding coriander leaves. And I like to cover everything and keep it for at least 15 minutes so that all the masalas will get mixed up easily, and which will enhance the taste. And here I'm eating this with my fulkas. My plate is ready. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care.